unforgettable. Not anymore. For Scooby.
I think the vendor put a grip on that.
Oh no, cool. I didn't even mean to rip it off, but come on. See, look. Stay. Oh my gosh. Alright.
Alright, so if it gets on his
Go for his
arm,
legs.
I keep getting perfect spins, but it's not doing it. It gets right in the shoulder. Swing it. Right there. F that machine. That was perfect.
Story of his life. Nope, still rigged. F you.
I like Sugarloaf better.
Sometimes the vendors just, they don't get filled today. I think they get filled on Saturday, actually.
This?
No, yeah, these claws. Yeah, that's rigged. Oh, okay. Now he's in a good position to fall. No, I sold them all, actually.
Are you gonna maybe sell the set?
No, I don't have any. I sold them all.
Oh, so this would be the only guy you have?
Wow, that was close. Ooh, that's good though. It's opening up here. Hold on. Oh, I forgot my prizes. Oh, okay. Now. Don't like bang, like push. That's the trick.
Again?
You can try one more time if you want. Oh, that's close. Ooh, you're right. Okay, that's awkward. Anyways, okay. Here we go, ready? Wow. Huh. If I would have got on the 3 crank, yeah. There.
Oh.
Oh, man. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. What? That was on the red, come on. It's right here. Now, Jason says I can win this. Come on.
Uh-oh.
No. What's it doing?
Sounds like it's ripping.
There. No. It just don't. No, that's mean. Really?
It's right there.
There. Thank you. I was gonna grab that stupid finger thing.
Yeah. This is like the only machine that was actually good.
Oh. Yes.
It's still not.
Watch, it'll bring it out. Stay. No way, oh my god. Oh my right god. On the crotch.
Yeah, I wanted that freaking thing.
Maybe.
I might actually flip it back.
Oh my gosh. Jason, you jinxed me.
Feet?
I guess. Come on, let's sorta. Hopefully I'm hook its foot. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, I think his bowling ball is hooked.
Yeah, maybe.
No, you did not just do that, Mr. Claw. I'm done. That's horrible. Yes. I had it right there. You saw it, guys. It dropped. Fell in a hole of shame.
So this machine was good. Wasn't working. This one
is great. I don't know why it's not working.
Yeah, this one lost.
Wow, there's a... Oh, this girl is huge. I don't know if that's good.
It's like hard eyes, too.
Shoot, I don't know. Oh, no way. Oh, I think it's gettable.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, come on.
Maybe.
Oh. I think I'm gonna go for his body. He looks almost like Tweety. Like his feet. And then see if I can lift it up like right there. Really? Oh. No, I doubt it. Nope. Oh. Oh. Ooh, I think it... Let's try that. Nah. Oh. Ooh. I think it's gettable.
Yeah. Oh. That was good.
Oh, whoa, that went down. That might pull it up. Oh, yes, it pulled it up. I can get that. That's mine. I'm gonna try to hook it in the headband. I think right there. Oh, that was horrible. But that might bring it up, actually.
$10 for crap.
Yeah. Wait, actually, hold on. Wait. Oh. Let's try that. There. There, please, grab. Dude. There. Let's try that. Oh, maybe. That's got it. Oh my god. Yes. Finally. Really? She had to put this on top of him? Now I gotta win it. I don't even want this bunny. Is that good? Is it gonna stab? Chasen, it's gonna stab. Get out of there. Oh, or get more on. Exactly how I like them.
Trying to go for exactly.
Well, I wanted Scooby, but this lady had to move this bunny. Come on, that's perfect. It clamped. Just stay. Just stay. Thank you. Thank you. Almost didn't fall in.
Whoa.
See, that should have it. Come on. What? Let's try that. Perfect. It clamped and unclamped. Oh, no way. No way. Oh. Please don't be like...
How did you do that?
I have $1 left. Yes. Oh, it's a lot. Okay. Alright. Me neither. I'm probably just gonna push it back in, but we'll see. Oh, that's perfect. That's got him.
Got it.
Yep. Sweet. Easter, that's such a good grab. Oh, I thought it was gonna fall back
That
in.
would be so bad.
No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Oh, I don't want that. What should I go for? Maybe. I don't want Garfield. I'll just go for this Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitties. No, that's horrible. Okay. That was a failure. Oh yeah, I got the bunny too. Come on. Yes, got Rocky. Nice. Sweet. Rocky. Good. Nice. Oh yes, it's in there. Come on. Stop. Really. Bop, bop. Bop. Bop, 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 bop.
A little bit, but...
Come on, it's in there. Now just stay. Pop. Yes, got it. Jack Sparrow. Nope. Another $1, I guess. Oh my god. Oh, I almost didn't go in. Let's go for this golfer thing. Oh shoot, now they're stuck. I hope I don't have to bend it or something, maybe. Really? stay. Oh my god, dude. I want to get those too. Hmm.
Two and one?
Come on. Stay. 2 and 1. Come on. Really? Oh my god. Didn't even close for crap. Wait, Jason, really?
What?
Not even gonna watch?
I'm watching.
Bro, that's harsh, bro.
Sorry.
Oh look, it flipped up.
No, I don't think so right there.
Don't stab. Oh, see. Stay. Stay. Oh, that loop. I can hook it in the leather loop though, maybe. Yes.
Oh. It's not gonna do anything.
Stay.
Oh,
Stay.
oh my gosh.
Stay. Oh my god. No.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh, it's in the box.
Yeah. I don't want you.
Oh.
Oh, you actually got it. See, you know what? This machine has such good stuff in it, but everything is dead zoned or not gettable because Will's vendor stinks. That's why. He needs to get better.
Please win something.
Kidding. I'm keeping this. I don't know, guys. I'm not feeling it. Oh wait, that might pick it up. Oh. I'm gonna go for more of his like arm. Come on. Oh, that's perfect. Grab. Stay, stay. Oh.
Nice.
It's not
Oh, you got
No.
it. Yep.
Oh, that's so
Oh.
gettable now.
Can I try for it?
See, he follows after me.
Yeah.
Wow, look how gettable.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Maybe the feet.
That's.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's got it.
Wait.
Yep.
Yeah, that's got it. Wow. Good claw.
Oh, that's the new Woody. Ugh.
He's a giant Woody, if you know what I mean. Alright, going for golf for Minion. I've taken this road down so many times. Jason should know all about that.
Yep.
So many roads taken down here. Oh. Ooh, I don't know. Let's try that, I guess. Oh, I clamped. Oh my gosh, of course. Oh my god.
Not really. That.
I don't know, actually. He's on his side. Yeah. We'll see.
Excuse me.
You farted? Just kidding. Alright. Oh, you got him. No way. Stay. Oh, you got him.
Oh my god.
Call for Minion. First try, really?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Yeah, see if you can get that Woody. It's like the only thing good in here. Maybe. Oh, no.
Oh,
Alright.
I'm so happy.
Hold on, let's see. Is this bird gettable? Nah. Let's go to the other side.
Okay. Yeah, that's what
But I made it so gettable for him. Yeah, it
No,
sucked.
it wasn't even gettable.
Well, I dug it out, I
First try in
guess.
this Walmart.
Really? And I can't even win this
I got
either?
it.
What is this? Oh, you got Jerry.
It'll take you a minute.
Well, oh, that's perfect. No, stay. You got that. That's yours. Nice.
Got it.
Hey, you guys are winning everything.
Put those in retirement plans, I don't know.
Oh, no way. Did you? Oh, whoa. Whoa. Did you just...